Hey guys, I'm Bana Suhas and welcome back to my channel OBorra Academy. And today we are gonna do a quiz based on the quantitative reasoning topic. So, as you all know, quantitative reasoning means somewhat related to maths. So today we are gonna do it on the Kahoot platform. So if you all are ready, just open the Kahoot.it in your new tab and I'll give the game pin in the chat box or I'll share my screen so you'll know the game pin so that you could join to our game. And I wanted you to share this live stream to your friends, or even you could say that we'll play Kahoot so that everybody will be interesting to play. Sorry. So let me share my screen first. So hope you all could see my screen. So here is your Kahoot and the game bit is 4717507. Sorry. So I hope you all could see my screen and the game pin. Okay, we have got one player, Bapya, and two players, Adrik. So just for my confirmation, if everybody could see my screen, just give a thumbs up in the chat box. Okay. We have another two players, Sanju, Nandu, and Jishu. Jishu. We have nine players with the stages VCD. Let us wait for some more players. Yeah, I'm getting thumbs ups. So, Kanna, Sai, we have 12 players with us, and let us wait for some more time. Whether okay, PR and uh, players are joining, so let us wait for some more time. Whether if players can join, the game can be interesting, right? Yeah, okay. So, I hope you could hear my voice right now. Pranavi, we have 14 players, and let's wait for 2 more minutes whether any one of the players can join. And today the first five questions are gonna be age problem questions. And don't worry about the age problems. And if they are tough, don't worry. I will explain you how to do them. I'll explain you, so don't worry. So mm, I think that's all. So now let's start our game. Okay, we have another player, Gayatri. So now let's start our game. So three, three, two, one, go. So here you have the first question. So here you have it in the image form. So if you cannot see, I'll say for you. 10 years ago, the age of mother was 3 times the age of her son. And after 10 years, mother's age will be twice that of his son's age. So find the ratio of their present ages. You'll have to find the ratio of their present ages. We have plenty of time with you, so don't worry, guys. We have already 6 answers with us. So for 48 seconds more. So 28 seconds more. So 8 more seconds. 15 answers. I think we have another extra player. Oh, we have the. Oh, that's so sad to see. The correct answer is 7 is to 3. No problem if you even have got the wrong answer. We will. I'll explain you. So don't worry. Even if you get the wrong answer. So now let's go to the explanation. So over here we could see, right. Hmm. So here is yours. So 10 years ago, the age of son and mother they did not give. So let's take son's age as x. So they said that mother's age was thrice the age of this son. So mother's age is 3x. Okay, till now everybody understood. Since this is 10 years before, we'll have to find even the present age. So present age would be x plus 10 and 3x plus 10. Remember these x plus 10 and 3x plus 10, they will be so useful for us. And then after 10 years, in the question they also said after 10 years. So after 10 years, okay, sorry. Hmm, sorry for that. So after 10 years, so yeah, it would be x plus 10 plus 10. So it would be x plus 10 plus 10. Yeah, till now everybody, this is for the sons, and for mothers it is, for mother it is 3x plus 10 plus 10. Okay, again till now everybody understood, right? The son's age and mother's age we have got. So now let's go to the calculation part. So here they say that given that the mother's age was thrice the age of son after 10 years. So after 10 years this was the form, right? So 3x plus 10, another plus 10, it would be 3x plus 20. So let me write it directly. So 3x plus 10 plus 10, it is 3x plus 20 equals to, so the given that mother's age was, so 3x, 3x plus 20, twice the age of the son. So son's age is x plus 10 plus 10. So twice of that it will be 2x plus 20 simply. Yeah, 2x plus 10 plus 10. Actually this is the correct form, but plus 10 and plus 10 it will become 20. So we can write it as 20. So x plus 20, I'll close the bracket over here. So now we will solve this. So when we solve this we get 3x. Okay, here it will be 2x plus 2 2s are 4, so 40. So 3x plus 20 equals to 2x plus 40. Yeah, so 3x minus 2x equals to 40 minus 20. So x equals to 20. Yeah, till now we have got it, right? So x equals to 20, we have got it. So I think we don't have place here. Let's go to the next page. So x equals 20. We have got it till over here. So now let's see how to find it in the ratio form. So they're asking in the ratio form for the present age. So the present age of mother was the present age of mother was 3x plus 10 is to the son's age was x plus 10. Yeah, so here we have the value of x as 20. So 20 times 3 is 60. So 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 is to again x over here. Here we have 20. So 20 plus 10 it's 30. So 70 is to 30. So when we can cancel the zeros. So the answer is 7 is to 3. So we have the answer with us. The answer is 7 is to 3. So you can even check in the Kahoot. So the answer is 7 is to 3. So hope you all understood how to do this problem. Even if you cannot understand, no problem. We will do another problem. We have 5 questions on this as I said you. So don't worry about even if you are wrong. You attempts how many ever times you get wrong, you are learning that much time. So don't worry even if you get wrong. So now let's see the scoreboard. So PR is in the first place. So because only one have got the correct answer, PR is leading in the first with 663 points. Yeah, that is good. So now let's go to the next question. Don't worry, now it is not in the image form. You will have the question. Saransh is 50 years old and Nazma is 40 years old. And how long ago was the ratio of their ages 3 is to 3 is to 2? So if you carefully look over here, they do not say how long ago, how many years ago their ages were in the ratio of 6 is to 2. So we will have to take that as the variable, x or y as you wish. So we have three answers with us. This is gonna be somewhat easy, but no problem. We have plenty of time with you. 12 answers, that is so good. You still have 60 seconds of time. Only 50% of your time is completed. You still have plenty of time. 14 answers. I think they are calculating. That is so good. 15 answers. Okay, we have the results over here. We have somewhat improvement in the results. 6 of them have got the correct answer and 10 of them have got the wrong answer. No worries about that. I know that age problems it would be some tough. Since everybody are beginners, let us learn. So 6 correct answers, that is good. So how you got 20 years? And let me say for you who have got it wrong. I want everybody to listen. So let me copy the question once. So it will be easy for us. Okay. Oh, I might have done it earlier. Yeah. we have the question over here, and now let's see how to do it. So first, let's read the question once. So Sarnash is 50 years old and Nazma is 40 years old. That is good. And how long ago was the ratio of their ages 3:2? So there we will have to find how long ago, means how many years ago their ages were in the ratio of 3:2. So let us assume the years ago as X. So at present Sharna is 50 years old and Nasma is 40 years old. So X years ago, what their ages will be. So X years ago, X years ago, so their ages were 50 minus X and Nazma's age was 40 minus X. This is so simple till here. So then, given that the ratio of their ages were 3:5. So again till here, again it is so easy for us. So 50 Sarnash is to Nazma. So 50 minus X by here 40 minus X. Since they have given the ratio as 3:2, they have already given the ratio of their ages before X years ago. Well, we'll have to find it. So they had given the ratio as 3:2. So let us write 3 by 2. Okay, till now we have done, and now let's see the calculation part. So over here, so let's do it cross multiplication. Oh, sorry. Hmm. So let's do the cross multiplication. So here 2 times 50 is 100. So 100 minus x2x, 100 minus 2x equals to here 3, 4 3s are 12. So 120x, 120 minus 3x. Okay. So now let's calculate it. So here we'll bring the 3x over here and take this 100 over here. So here minus 2x equals minus 2, oh sorry. So minus 2x plus 3x equals to 120 minus 100. 120 minus 100. Okay, and then so here it will be x equals to 20. So we have got the value of x. So x equals to 20 years. So how long ago? They are asking us to find how many years ago. So we have got the answer as 20 and final answer is 20. Oh, sorry about that. So the final answer is 20. That's all we have got the answer. Even in Kahoot, we have got the correct answer. That is so good. I hope everybody have thought how to do this. That is good. So now let's see the next question. Now let's go to the third question. So in the scoreboard, yeah, there is a good change. Tejasvi is in the second place and Shivani is in the third place and Sai is in the fourth place and Advik is in the fifth place. And Sai and Advik are the runner-ups. That is so good. So now let's see the next question. Even this you won't have an image from. So this is an image. So present the ratio of The ratio of present ages of Pranav and Kirshi is 4:5. 5 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 7:9. Find their present ages. So 67, 66 more seconds, two answers only, that's no problem. 44 more seconds. So let me read the question for you again. The ratio of the present ages of Pranav and Kurshi is 4 is to 5. 5 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 7 is to 9. Find their present ages. So we have the results with us, and 2 of them are correct and 12 of them are wrong. No problem, no worries about that. Let's see how to do this, and I will explain you. So carefully listen. So again, now let's go to the next page. So I'll read the question for you. So the ratio of the present ages of Pranav and Quirshi is 4 is to 5. So I had already done a video about the finding the ratios and solving them, and if you want, I will give the link in the description box below. So view that link, so you may understand, and even if you're not gonna understand in this video, see that video so you could understand it. So I'll give it in the description box after, so see that, refer to that. So here they're saying that present ages of Pranav and Kirshi is in the ratio of 4 is to 5 respectively. 4 is to 5. This is the present age. Yeah. So they also gave 5 years ago. So let me rub this. So 5 years ago, their ages in the ratio form was 7 is to 9. Okay. This is Pranav and this is Kirshi. Okay. So till now, I hope everybody understood. So to solve it in the ratio method first, as we discussed in that video, we'll have to find the difference between 7 and 4 in the respective ratios. 7 and 4, the difference is 3. Am I right? And 9 and 5, it is 4. Okay, so here in the ratio method, these two values which are parts, okay, remember the difference between these these numbers are the result which you get, they will be your parts. So they should always be equal. So if they are not equal, how to make them equal? So let us see. So 7 and 9, the difference is 2, and 4 and 5, the difference is 1. So here how to do it? So this 1 you'll have to multiply with 7 and 9. So 7 times 1 is 7 is 2. 9 times 1 is 9. Okay, and this 2 you'll have to multiply 4 and 5. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So now let us see the difference, whether they are equal or not. So 9 and 10, the difference is 1, and 7 and 8, the difference is 1. So if you're gonna do in this method, you'll confirmly get the equal parts. So here you get the answer as 1, right? So let us think this as 1 part. So 1 part equals to how many years? So to find how many years, that is so easy. From the present age to 5 years ago, there are 5 years in between. So 1 part equals to 5 years. I'll say to those who are not understood. So 1 part equals to 5 years. Those 5 years how I got. From the present age, they gave the ratio of 5 years before. So the difference, the gap between these years is, the difference between these years is 5 years. So 1 part equals to 5 years. So we got this as 5. So with this 5, you'll have to multiply 7, 9, 8 and 10. So 7 times 5 is 35 is to 45, and 8 times 5 is 40 is to 50. Okay, till now everybody understood, right? So the second one is the present ages. So 40 is to 50 is your present ages. So here in Kahoot you could see that 40 and 50. So again 40 and 50 is gonna be a correct answer. So hope everybody understood this question. So no worries who have not understood. So if you have not understand this question, you can see my previous video. You can see my video which I have uploaded in YouTube, the age problems. So refer to that so that you could understand it very well. So I'll give it in the description box. So the next question. So Gayatri had come to the second place and Tejasvi is in the third place, and Shivani has come up, and Shivani and Sai are the runner-ups. That is good. So we are having some change in the scoreboard every time. So now let's see the next question. Dinesh is younger to Roshan by 9 years. Okay. If their ages are in the respective ratio 4 is to 5, how old is Dinesh? Again, this is also pretty simple, easy. If you think, so 60 more seconds. So today we have only got 8 questions. We have 5 age problems, so it will take up plenty of time. So we have only got 8 questions. Rest of the 3 questions they are so easy, so no need to worry about that. 14 answers. Don't take this as big problem. If you learn it with enthusiasm, it will get remembered to you throughout your life, and these will be so helpful for your competitive exams also. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The question is ended. So we have 7 correct answers, that is so good, and 7 wrong answers, that is balanced. So 7 correct answers and 7 wrong answers. No problem who have got wrong, and I will explain you even this. This is somewhat easy question, so it will take less time for this question. So now let's go to the explanation part without making any delay. So let me copy the question. So here you have your question. Dinesh is younger to Roshan by 9 years. If their ages are in the respective ratio 4 is to 5, okay, how old is Dinesh? Even this is a good question. So, they just give that Dinesh is younger to Roshan by 9 years. So, we don't know, we even don't know the age of Roshan, right? So, let's take the age of Roshan, okay, sorry, age of Roshan as x. So Dinesh age would be x minus 9. Okay. So after this, so they have give 4 is to 5 the ratio. Okay, they have only given the present, right? So it will be more easy. So Dinesh is to Roshan. Okay, so now let's do cross multiplication. Let's write equation to solve it in the cross multiplication. Since it is Dinesh first, so let's try Dinesh age first, which is x minus 9 by, and then Roshan's age, which is x, equals to 4 by 5. This is the main calculation part, so I wanted everybody to listen carefully. So over here let's do the cross multiplication. from here. Okay, so 5x minus 45, 5x minus 45 equals to 4x. Okay, so 5x, oh sorry about that. A minute. Okay, I'm back. So 5x minus 44x equals to plus 45. So x equals to 45 years. So hope everybody understood till here. X, which is Rohan's age, but they're asking how old is Dinesh. So, as they said that Dinesh is younger to Roshan by 9 years. So, if we get Roshan's age as 45, then Dinesh age over here 45. So, 45 minus 9. So, Dinesh age would be 45 minus 9 is 36. So Dinesh age is 36. So everybody understood how we should do it, right? So the correct answer is 36. So everybody understood. I think everybody understood. And now let's see the scoreboard. So okay, we have a change finally. Okay, Sai is in the third place and Tejasvi have gone to the fourth place and Kanna is in the fifth place. That is good. So now Tejasvi and Kanna are the runner-ups and Gayatri has a streak of 3 correct answers in a row. That is good. So now let's see the next question. So Nisha is 15 years elder to Romy. 5 years ago. This is also somewhat same to that type of question, but this is of 5 years ago. We have a somewhat light twist. So 47 seconds more. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's all. We have 3 correct answers and 7, okay, 11 wrong answers. No problem about that. Now let us discuss how we are gonna get the correct answer. So this is the last question in 8th problem. So don't worry, guys. So let me copy the question. Okay, we have the Jamboard here and text box, and here you have the question. So let me zoom it. 1 minute. Okay, so we have it. So Nisha is 15 years elder to Romy. So let's take Romy's age as X. Romi's age as x. So then Nisha's age would be x plus 15. Nisha, okay, let me write n. So x plus 15. So 5 years ago. So x minus 5 and x plus 15 minus 5. And then Nisha was 3 times as old as Romy. Okay, then find the Nisha's present age. So Nisha was 3 times as old as Romy. So 5 years ago. So this equation, let's take first. So x plus 15 minus 5. So we can directly do that. 15 minus 5 is 10. So x plus 10 equals to 3 times. So 3 times as old as Romy. Romy is x minus 5. So x minus 5. Yeah. Till now everybody understood, right? So now we will have to solve this first, which is 3x minus 15. Okay. So x plus 10 equals. So let's take this 15 over here and let's take this x over here. So 10 plus 15 equals to 3x, which is, let's write 2x normally. So it is 25. 25 equals to 2x. So half of 25, it is 12.5 equals to x. So okay, so x equals to 12.5 years. So till now we have got Romy's age, we have got it as 12.5 as her present age. Okay, so Nisha's age, her present age would be 12.5 plus some plus they gave 15 years elder, right? So 12.5 plus 15. So 12.5 plus 15 is 27.5. So Nisha's present age is 27.5. So we have found that Nisha's age as 27.5 and even in Kahoot, Nisha's age was 27.5. So hope everybody understood how to do even this problem. So if you understood how to do these age problems, I wanted you to give a thumbs up in the chat box and just type I understand. So I will be sure that at least some people have understood. So now let's see the scoreboard. So, okay, Kanna is in the first place and PR in the second, Gayatri in the third, and Sai and Tejasvi are the runner-ups. That is good. And Kanna has the highest answer streak of 3. That is good, Kanna. Okay, so now let's go to the next question. So that's all about age problem, guys. So here you have the question. 10, 22, 46, 94, 190. And what is the sequencing number? This is easy question, so I have only given 90 seconds of time. Four, three, two, one. We have only 9 answers, but it's no problem. So 3 correct answers and 6 wrong answers. No problem. Let me explain even this question. So, mm, let me go to another slide. Okay, so hope everybody can see. Oh, okay, so okay, so 1 minute. Okay, I hope everybody can see, else I'll write it over here. 10 okay, 10 comma 22 comma 46 comma 94 comma 190. And what is the next number? So are the numbers correct? Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so here what is the sequence following so that you could find the next number? Okay, so here if you're gonna see here the difference, you could see like 12. Okay, so but for everything it is not the same. So if you're gonna think a bit, you could see 10 times 2 is 20 and plus 2 is 22. Okay, so let me write 10 times 2 plus 2 equals 22. Okay, then 22 times 2, which is 44, plus 2, which is 46, plus 2, which is 46. Okay, 46 times 2 plus 2, you get 94. 46 times 2 is 92. So 92 plus 2 is 94 equals to 94. Okay, here you get 94, and 94 times 2 is 188. 94 times 2 is 188 and plus 2 it is 190 equals to 190. And here comes the twist for you, and here you'll have to 190 times 2, which is 190 times 2, it is 380. Yeah, I think it's 380. 190 times 2 is 380 and 380 plus 2 it is 382. Yeah, plus 2 it is 382. So here you get the number 382. Okay, so this missing number is 382. You check over here, and even here the correct answer is 382. So hope everybody understood how to do this problem. And now let's see the next question. Before that, let's take the scoreboard. So okay, Gayatri is in the first place, and Sai is in the second place, and Kanna in the third, PR in the fourth, and Tejasvi in the fifth, and PR and Tejasvi are the runner-ups. That is good. And now let's see, go to the next question. This is the seventh question. So don't worry guys, our session is gonna get end so fast. Fifty-two, 50 seconds more. This is also so easy. I think this is a bit easy question. So So we have the results, which is this is so good result. 12 of them have answered the question correct, and 2 of them have got the answer wrong. No problem about that, and let me explain how you have got the correct answer. Okay, so 1 minute. Okay, we have the question over here. So hope everybody could see the question. So now let me explain. This is so easy. So you could see this word, right? Here this word. So here let us just keep this in the mm, let us just write these words in the reverse so that you will get the answer. So the first word is E, second word L, third word C, fourth word S, fifth word U, and sixth word M. So you get this same word ELCSUM. Okay, so then same for this CAPITAL. So the word is capital. So this is so easy, guys. No need that much thinking about this. This is so easy. We could do it in a fraction of seconds. Am I right? So now let's see the last question for today. And so in the scoreboard, no changes. There are no changes. Good. Okay. So the last question is there for you. If robust is coded as QNATRS in a certain language, which word would be coded as EZKCMP? So we have the results over here. 6 of them are correct and 8 of them are wrong. No problem, guys. So I'll explain you even this. So this is also somewhat tricky. So that's all about this. With this, we are going to end up this session. After my explanation, we'll check the podium results and we'll just end it. Yeah. So let me zoom it. Okay. So here you have the question. So if robust is coded as QNATRS, so robust, let me write it ROBUST. Robust is coded as QNATRS. QNATRS. Yeah. So here it comes like in alphabetical order +1 for everything. If you add if you add one for each letter, you will get another letter, right? +1. So that these are this QRNOABTURSST. Okay, till now everybody understood, right? And EZXCMP, what it would be coded as? EZ oh okay, EZXCMP, what it would be coded as? Okay, here it would be A. After Z it will be A, right? After X it is Y. After C it is D. D. Oh, sorry. It is D. After M, it is N. After P, Q. So we have the letters A, Y, P, and Q. Okay, A, Y, P, and Q. If you check in Kahoot, you have got O, A, Y, D, and Q. Okay. Oh, sorry, it is D. I forgot. A, Y, D, and Q. Okay, the answer is Kahoot. The answer is red. No problem about that. So, guys, that's all about this session. And now let's see the podium results. So the podium winners are the bronze winner is Gayatri and the silver medal winner is PR and the first place winner is Kanna. Okay, that is good. Okay, the runner-ups are Sai and Tejasvi. That is good. So guys, that is all about this session. So if you like this session, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and if you hadn't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you'll get and click all so that you will get our all notifications which we do with the videos which we do. So that's all about this session, guys. So don't forget to subscribe our channel OBorra Academy. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Let's meet you in the next session.